than they were 1 year ago, and prices are up in nearly every county. It's Friday, January 12th, 2024. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates to you every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. And Arundel County home prices are up 6.8% year over year. Baltimore City home prices fell 4.4%. Baltimore County is up 3.8%. Calvert County home prices went up 1.2%. Carroll County increased 3.6%. Charles County went up 3.4%. Harford County prices are up 5.8%. Howard County prices went up 6.7%. Montgomery County prices increased 4.5%. Prince George's County prices rose 5%. St. Mary's County home value prices rose 4%. 2024 is predicted to have home prices rising again. So 678 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio and under contract in 20 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Trap for $9 million. There are 2,433 rentals available, priced at $23.50 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 12th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.